That is agents.md. So what's that? Now the file tells the agent things like which commands to run for tests or which coding conventions this code base uses. So we can really think of this as being kind of like a README file, but it's a README file specifically written for agents. Agent skill. So what's that? Well, an agent skill is a folder, and inside that folder is a file. That file is called skill.md. So .md again, that's more markdown. Now also in that folder is whatever scripts or resources the task needs. And then inside skill.md is some metadata, including a description. And that tells the agent something like, invoke me when the user wants to X. MCP, model context protocol. Now, MCP is an open protocol for connecting AI applications to tools and data sources and workflows. And it comes with something called an MCP server. Now, an MCP server wraps up a tool or a data source in a standard interface, and any agent that can speak MCP can now talk to that tool. A to A, otherwise known as agent to agent. So A2A is an open protocol for agent-to-agent communication. With A to A, each agent publishes something called an agent card. And that's just basically a description of what the agent does and how to talk to it. And other agents can read that card and then figure out how to delegate work. The procurement agent in this case is going to find the agent card and read it for the finance agent and then hand off the contract. Subagents, which means using and spawning multiple agents. So a subagent is a child agent that the main agent spawns to do a specific piece of work. And each sub-agent runs in its own fresh context window. It does its job and it returns a result when it is done.